Want to effortlessly grow your email list directly from your WordPress website? Let's dive into connecting your email field with MailerLite. First, you'll need to create an API key in your MailerLite account. Log into your MailerLite dashboard, navigate to the integration section, and then click on Developer API. Here, you'll find the option to create a new API key. Copy this key. It's essential for the connection. Now, head over to your WordPress admin area. We need a plugin to bridge the gap. The official MailerLite API plugin is a great choice. Go to Plugins, then Add New, search for MailerLite, and install and activate the official plugin. Once activated, you'll find MailerLite settings within your WordPress dashboard, often under Settings or its own menu item. Click on this, and you'll see a field to paste your MailerLite API key. Paste the key you copied earlier and save the changes. Next, let's prepare your WordPress form. Whether you're using a form plugin like Contact Forms 7, WP Forms, or Gravity Forms, locate the email field you want to connect. Ensure it's clearly labeled as an email address. Within your form plugin settings, you'll now see MailerLite integration option. Select the MailerLite integration and choose the specific campaign group or list within MailerLite where you want your new subscribers to be added. This is crucial for organizing your leads. Finally, test it out. Go to the page on your website where your form is displayed, enter a test email address and submit the form. You should now see that email address appear in your chosen MailerLite list, ready to receive your automated welcome sequence. And that's how you seamlessly connect your WordPress email field with MailerLite.